Hello guys, good evening all of you. In today's session, we are going to discuss about scenario manager and goal seek in advanced section. It's very interesting topic and very important for job expect as well. So in this session, we will learn to perform what if analysis. So it means condition is this, then what going to be happen? That is called what if analysis. So Turbines manufacturing generator. Turbines is a company who manufacturing the generators. Peter Johns, the vice president of sales division. So Peter Johns is the vice president in the company who working as a sales divisions has been asked to project the sales for the next 3 quarters. So this is a case study for this first. Next 3 quarters, so first quarter 3 months, like Jan to March, so 3 quarter means 9 months. If the selling price of the product is changed due to the increase the cost of raw material by 30%, right? So you say if the selling price product change due to the increase the cost of raw material, I mean the increase the cost of raw material by 30%. Thus, Peter decided to create a report to find out the factor that can be modulated to generate maximum revenue. Obviously, guys, every company looking for the maximum revenue, maximum profit figure, right? So, in addition, this report should contain all the parameters that affect the value of sales. How can Peter create such a report? To help Peter, let's first understand the what if analysis features of Excel. The what if analysis features allow you to create dynamic formula and function. What do you mean by dynamic formula and function? Dynamic means you are able to change, you are able to modify in the same data, right? That is called dynamic formulas, right? I mean, we are able to modify, we are able to change inside it. Instantly calculate the output when the value in cell are changed. I mean, once you change the values, at the same time you get your output, okay? Enable you to explore the possibilities in a result set by providing the varieties of values into the same equation. In the same equation, you are able to provide the varieties kinds of values at the same time. Like, suppose I'm looking maximum price, maximum sale, minimum sales, any specific one as per your criteria and requirement. So, tool use what if analysis, like Microsoft Excel provide the following tool to perform the type of analysis fits your requirement. Scenario manager, goal seek, solver, okay. Scenario manager, goal seek, solver, data table. Let's just understand each of this tool one by one. So you can see guys, scenario manager here. You can see the Sam is the finance manager at Avon's company and report on the way to generate the more revenue. So what you're going to scenario manager tool. So you can see the report should also show the best situation that will generate the maximum revenue. Obviously, suppose you guys have a company, in your company, if everything going to be perfectly all right, if each parameter is going better, so in that case, you can generate the maximum revenue. If all parameters not going better, so if a condition situation is worst, so obviously company going to the loss. So obviously, if everything is perfectly all right, if all parameters going proper way, there is no loophole. So obviously company going to make a proper revenue, maximum revenue, right? If all the parameters not going well, if there any loophole you not fix before time, so obviously going to be issues for that. Using scenario managers, so the scenario manager tool of the what if analysis feature allow you to create different scenario to help your business do better. Obviously, in the scenario manager tool, you are able to create a different kinds of scenario, which one going to help you for a business going to better way, right? So in that case, we're going to the scenario manager. A scenario is a collection of value which is saved in Microsoft Excel, right? Obviously, in scenario manager, we are collecting different kinds of scenario, different kinds of values, right? The values are automatically subtitled in the cells of worksheet for which the scenarios is created and when the scenario is tested. Obviously, guys, once you make a scenario, you have to going to create first. After that, you're going to test it is working or not, is working perfectly or right? After that, you're going to take a final. To use the scenario manager tool, perform the following tasks. Open the scenario manager tool, add the scenario and values. Okay. Next one is a goal seek. As you can see here, guys, using goal seek, Sam is the finance manager at Darboin's company. So wants to know the like quantity of generator that should be sold and which return the break even values. Decide to use goal seek tool. Okay. So like you can see, capitals of like expenses of like you can see the amount here 3000 something, right? Vehicle mountain generators, like see the data analysis vehicle mountain generator, like price. This is total price 20 thousands, and demand 100 generator, variable cost per unit this, and fixed cost per unit this, and total revenue is this, right? So total variable cost is this and profit figure. So data related to manufacturing of vehicle mountain generator. Okay. So the goal seek tool is used to find an unknown value from a set of known values. Right? Means some value you know and some of you don't know. Suppose very simple example. Suppose your student details. So some student marks you know and some subject marks is missing. Which one I want to know? Right? Which one going to be? Like suppose my target value like 350. So I want to know okay like which subject how much marks is required. That one is unknown for me. That one going to be find out so that you can complete your target value. The goal seek tool implemented by using the goal seek dialog box. So in the following figure, set cell to value and by changing cell. As you can see here, the goal seek dialog box accept the following three values, set cell to value and by changing. So this is the theory parts guys were done. In next video, we are going to see practically how to implement scenario manager and how to implement goal seek. So that's it. Thank you so much for this video.